6 years. As a developer, I worked on multiple projects like application onboarding, enterprise config, upgradations. I worked on a lot of this SailPoint stuff. And yeah, regarding SailPoint, I have a good knowledge on the and application onboarding these things and handle workflows, rules, these things. And yeah, like uh, Joshua and Venkat Reddy, you people are. Hello.
I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. You have any knowledge about SailPoint? I mean, Java, these skills.
Not Sailpoint, no. I know some Java, but not Sailpoint.
Okay. Yeah. Like today, I'm giving the demo regarding. I mean, what are we are going to handle and what are the things we are going to do? Yeah. Yeah. SailPoint. Why we use the SailPoint tool? Remaining. I mean, like we have different tools also for managing the identities. Like Okta Identity Management, Microsoft Identity Management, and these type of tools we have. But why we choose the SailPoint only? Because SailPoint is a flexible tool, and it is easy to deliver the things as per the organization requirements, and we can uh, make changes. Whatever the requirement, we can do those things in the SailPoint. And on security purpose, it will provide more than other tools, like it is more feasible to the than other tools. And in SailPoint we have the policies, certifications, these things we have. And mainly SailPoint is what is SailPoint? First of all, what is SailPoint? What is SailPoint? Yeah, um, SailPoint is a identity governance identity governance and administration solution. Yeah, yeah. In this identity governance, we handle the like identity access management. Okay, and identity management. Okay. In the identity access management, we control the we in the access management we use the uh, create a user, update a user data, and delete the user. If user is removed from the organization, delete the user, and provide access to the certain application certain time. These things handles in the identity access management. When come to the identity management, in this one we handle mainly certification and policies. Um, uh, and these all are covered in the identity management. Mainly the SailPoint core subject is identity governance administration solution. While identity governance is mixed with these two, identity access management and identity management. Yeah. Okay. For suppose if we this is the SailPoint screen. Okay. uh, We are going to cover all the topics, like what are the topics we are going to cover in the SailPoint in this training. Like first of all, we how to create identities in the SailPoint. We will cover in this talk in this session. In this training, how to create identities. And if any identities, if there, these are the identities which I created from my local. And application onboarding. In this application onboarding, we can create multiple application types, like see here, if we click the add new application, um, yeah, we have application types. We are going to cover this in this application type, like delimited application connector type, and web service connectors, active directory connectors. Mainly, we focus on the active directory, delimited applications, and web service connectors, and JDBC applications. And in organizations also, mostly uses these only mainly. And most of the organizations uses the web service connectors. I mean, REST API calls. So mostly they work. With what I have experience on the REST API calls, these things I have. And after application connector applications connector types we have once completed, then we are going to discuss about this uh, uh, reports. And once reports are completed, reports are like we have different types of reports we can generate as per the requirement. We can made a modifications and the customization we can do in the reports. And reports. And in setup, we onboard the certifications part. I mean, certifications like as per the certifications, like we use the some organizations required every quarterly. They want some certifications. They want to create some users. Every quarterly, they want to change the data. Then we use the certifications. And the roles. Roles are different types of roles we use in the SailPoint, like IT role, business role, entitlements. So these are the roles. And in with the roles also, we can create a rollback access control system, that also we are going to cover in this training only. And policies, if when we are creating a role, at that time we use the policies. Based on the policies, we can for suppose if user want a certain access for certain role, certain time, certain application, then unauthorized user is also going to access that one. So with using these policies, we are going to control that one. And the tasks are like when we we use mostly cover the account aggregation task, account group aggregation task, sequential task, delta tasks, and the performance maintenance identity task, and refresh identity task. These tasks we are going to cover. We can create a custom task, but most of the organizations mostly use this schedule task, and account aggregation task, and account group tasks only. And after that one, business process. And the business process, like these are the workflows. If for suppose if user is created, that user need to get an access. Once required approvals are completed, we can manage all these things in this business process. Like these are the workflows. Okay. And the life cycle events, joiners, if the joiners, lever, mover, I'll say life cycle management, we covered in this one only in the training. And um, actually, in SailPoint, main things we are how it works, like life cycle manager and compliance manager. Life cycle manager is a our configuration part. What are the configuration we are provided here? That is the only it will trigger automatically in the backend. Without knowing us, like if for suppose if we are creating request access, if action is a request access, then what provisioning, LCM provisioning is the business process. That business process we already set up here, right? So based on that LCM, it will that request will process, and it will flow in that workflow. And when come to the compliance manager mainly deals with the certification part, in certification behavior, certification decisions, and bulk request and email templates. These are all covered in the compliance manager. Okay. And in the global settings, like how to configure the identities in the SailPoint, identity mappings. These are all parts and covered in this in the global settings. And when we are onboarding the applications, for suppose, let's consider a delinked application. Uh, then remaining screen tabs are appearing here, right? Yeah, mainly these rules also main concept in the SailPoint. These rules also main concept. We have to learn this one also. We are going to cover in this training all these things. Yeah, and correlation part all are comes in the training. Okay. And like when in the sale point, where in what type of organization we are using, like in all industries, like banking, healthcare departments, and most of the organization are using the sale point tools only. Um, yeah. For suppose, like yeah. Yeah. For testing purpose, we just create one demo application for ourselves, like how it will create and what are we are going to do. Uh, Yeah, will take some. I think actually, yeah, I think there is some issue in data. Yeah, I mean, once we created that this demo application, then we can discuss this remaining aggregation rules, provisioning rules, these things, these rules. I mean, which one we when we will trigger? I mean, before we are onboarding the application, at that time the task also scheduled in the parallelly, and I get to fetch the data from the source to Sailpoint, and once on provisioning, if provisioning the rules, like it will provision the data from the Sailpoint to the target system. Yeah, all these are covers in this training session, and our topics like in Sailpoint, we are going to cover application onboarding, identity creation, rules, roles, uh, workflows, tasks, and debugging, policies, certification, um, and the interview questions. Uh, and these are we cover in this training session mostly. Yeah, anything.
What is your full name, Arun?
Yeah, Arun Kumar.
Arun Kumar?
Arun Kumar Chukka.
Oh, okay. And I mean, like, I want to know how many days will it take for this one to complete this course?
Yeah, I mean 35 days mostly.
Oh, okay.
35 days. If I mean, if anything, any queries like we can up to add. I mean another 5 days, like 40 days.
So, is this course only for the weekends or is it daily?
Yeah, daily. If you want daily, I can connect daily. So I mean, based on your availability.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. At
What
what
is the
time all of you? I mean, at what time you people are available? Then we can start.
Oh, okay.
I have a question. Are we going to cover how SailPoint integrates with other applications, or are we just is that how
Sorry,
we're
sorry,
gonna?
sorry, Jason. I didn't get it.
I was just wondering if we're going to discuss how SailPoint integrates with other applications.
Sailpoint integration also, like ServiceNow, these things.
Okay.
Yeah. In this application topic, we will cover that one also.
Okay. What about with like Active Directory?
Yeah, Active Directory also. But for that one, I will. I mean, I try to get the software. Um, I try to. I mean, to connect the Active Directory and to show you the samples and how it works like. And these softwares like I mean requirement for SailPoint requirement. I mean like for training purpose you required basic Java knowledge, mainly like mainly on collection framework, and mainly this one required. And software I can provide SailPoint software. I can give that one. Remaining MySQL, uh, Apache Tomcat. These are all, I mean, available on internet, so we can download it from there and we can install it. I will guide you how to install and what are the configuration steps we have follow. And these things we can do that in the further classes. Um, and remaining like for Active Directory, for AD connector and JDBC, we can use local DB connection for that one. We can make a one separate DB. We can do the JDBC connection. And for web service connector also, I will try, but um, I mean, I can show you the sample application how it works and uh, about the REST API calls how it will go. But I can't get that web service related stuff from my end. I can show you that sample application how it works and what are the configurations we have to do in the web service connector. I can uh, explain that part.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else? I mean, I think these are enough.
What is the
And
course fee and
yeah, I already discussed with that group, right? I mean,
okay.
Yeah, I will be coordinating with you regarding that.
yeah,
Okay, fine.
yeah. HKR group, they are already guided, right? Regarding that one. Um, yeah, HKR group I already suggested, right? So yeah, from when onwards we can connect. I mean, if you are okay, means then we can start from tomorrow. Or, I mean, at what time? Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. You were asking what time
Yeah,
sessions?
your availability. Yeah, morning. I mean, available from morning 11, 8 to 11 IST. If you are interested,
Okay.
then we can start from tomorrow.
Okay, I'm in USA.
Okay.
So
Then what
I
is
got
your
it.
field?
Let's see.
Yeah. If you
Yeah.
want weekend sessions, we can start the weekend sessions, or we can if you want to daily sessions, we can connect daily based on your I mean interest. I mean, yeah, based on your availability. I mean, everyone is a I think employee, so based on your availability, we can connect Saturday,
So
Sundays, and everything.
Joshua, yeah, Arun. So Joshua and Venkat, you both are available in your evening times.
Evening time, yeah, is fine for me.
What
Okay,
time?
what time? You both are in EST time zone.
Yep.
Yes, I'm in Eastern time zone. Yes, US.
Uh, okay, so it will be. So that will be 10:30 p.m. for you guys. Is that fine?
Yeah, fine.
10:30. Is it fine for both of you? Or else like think we can make it 9:30. 9:30 or 10 p.m. EST. Your
Uh,
time.
I think 10:30 or 11 would be good for me.
9:30, 10:30. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
10:30 or 11. 10:30 or
Yeah,
11. With that.
10:30. Yeah. So what about Venkata?
Yeah, I'm fine.
10:30.
Yeah, 10:30.
10:30.
Okay, fine. Then we can connect at 10:30 p.m. IST from tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Arun. So that will be our like 8:30. So we can connect from tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.